You're sitting here now, and maybe already the silence is speaking to you. Maybe your body feels a little less clenched. Maybe your thoughts are beginning to stretch like the sky. If not yet, don't worry. Stillness takes time to trust. This practice draws on the work of Jon Kabat-Zinn, founder of Mindfulness-Based Stress Reduction and author of Wherever You Go, There You Are. Tonight, we'll use the desert as our anchor. We'll breathe into stillness and practice mindfulness in wide open space where nothing needs to be fixed. Take a breath in, hold it gently, and release. Feel the space around you grow. There's nothing demanding your attention, no walls closing in, only quiet, only room. Imagine the earth beneath you, soft sand, warm stone, ancient silence. Let your body settle into it. Let gravity do the holding. Let the sky take your tension. You are not lost out here. You are found in simplicity. You are in the desert now. It's night. The heat has passed. The world feels paused. You sit quietly on a low dew. The sand is cool beneath you. The sky is endless. There are no sounds, no traffic, no conversations, only the breath and the beat of your heart. You breathe in through your nose. The air is dry and light. You exhale slowly, and your shoulders fall. You look up. Stars stretch across the sky like a forgotten language. The Milky Way glows gently overhead. Each star reminds you are part of something vast. But you don't need to understand it. You only need to be here. You close your eyes, and still, you can feel the stars. Their calm, their distance, their quiet guidance. The desert does not care what time it is. It does not rush. It simply is. You let your thoughts wander and dissolve like grains of sand carried by wind. There's no urgency in the desert, only breath, only space, only now. And that's often all we need. If your breath feels easier now, if your thoughts are softer, leave one word in the comments below. And if this moment helped you, subscribe to Stress Out, like, and share this quiet with someone who needs it. Now, let the stars keep shining. Let the silence keep holding you. Let sound do the rest.